Do you have a bunion on your foot? Does every step bring pain and swelling? I'm Physio, and in this video, I'll explain what hallux valgus really is, why it develops, and, most importantly, what you can do to relieve the pain and improve your condition. Stick around until the end, because what you'll learn today could save you years of discomfort. What is hallux valgus? Hallux valgus is a common foot deformity where the big toe slowly shifts outward while the base of the toe pushes inward. This creates the well-known bump on the inside of the foot, but it's not just a cosmetic issue. Over time, this misalignment leads to pain, inflammation, difficulty walking, and even deformities in the other toes. It disrupts the natural balance of your foot, alters weight distribution, and puts increasing strain on your joints and muscles with every step. The good news? If caught early, hallux valgus is highly manageable. All you need is a clear understanding of where the problem starts and how to fix it. What causes hallux valgus? The most common cause is improper footwear, especially shoes that narrow toward the front, like high heels or pointed dress shoes. They might look elegant, but they squeeze the big toe inward toward the others, forcing it into an unnatural position. Over time, this constant pressure overstretches and weakens the muscles responsible for stabilizing the big toe joint. And here's why that matters. The big toe plays a critical role in walking. It helps you push off the ground and keeps you balanced with each step. But when those stabilizing muscles stop doing their job, the toe can't function properly. You begin walking incorrectly, putting pressure on the joint instead of the toe itself. The body senses this instability, along with the inflammation that follows, and tries to reinforce the area. How? By building extra bone around the joint. This is the same biological process that causes bone spurs, your body's way of creating structure where stability is lost. Hallux valgus doesn't appear overnight. It's a slow, progressive change, and the longer it goes unaddressed, the harder it becomes to reverse. How to correct hallux valgus? Correction begins with your footwear. No matter how many exercises you do, or even if you choose surgery, if you continue wearing narrow, restrictive shoes, the deformity will likely come back. That's why the first step is choosing the right shoes. Good shoes provide enough room in the toe box for your big toe to move freely without being pushed inward. The shoe should fit your foot, not the other way around. Another helpful tool is silicone toe spacers. These keep your toes from crowding together and help maintain a neutral position for the big toe, especially while walking or doing corrective exercises. But the most important part of correcting hallux valgus is strengthening the foot muscles. Targeted exercises help reactivate the muscles around the big toe so it can once again participate in your natural walking pattern. When the toe functions properly, pressure is evenly distributed, inflammation decreases, and that painful bump stops growing. This is how hallux valgus is truly corrected, not by hiding the symptoms, but by restoring strength, control, and alignment to your foot. You'll find a set of effective exercises in the video linked here. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.